Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to rotate an image on a multi-camera digital system. One thing you should know is that when you're rotating an image, when we're going into the menu, it actually affects a specific channel that we're on. So we're going to rotate the image on camera 1, and then it stays that way for camera 1. So if you want one of them in one way and then you want another camera reversed in another, you could actually do that with the system. So let me show you how the way it's done. Click on menu right here, and then we're going to use these arrows to get to flip, mirror flip right here. That turns yellow when you're there, right? And then we're going to click the channel button to get in there, and now we can start flipping the image, right? To do that, we're just using these arrows right here. You could do upside down, right side up, or upside down in reverse. You could do a frontal view. That's good if you want to put a camera in the front. Or most people like this reverse view right there, so it looks like a mirror. The other two that you see here are usually if for some reason you need to mount your monitor upside down or some other thing that you're trying to do with it. That's what that's for. Once you get the view you want, you leave it as is and you're good to go. You could do that. Let's say you want to do another channel after that. So we're going to go to channel number 2 where I have another camera. This one's already actually in the forward mode. I'm going to change the image. I'm going to go to flip. I'm going to click on channel again, and this one I want it actually going in reverse mode like that, right? And then we're going to click on menu again, and we're done. You don't even have to click the menu. After a couple of seconds, it'll disappear and go to that. But if you just want to get working, click on the menu 2 times and you're good to go. That's how to rotate an image on a multi-camera system. Thank you.